Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel LG.
The Philippine secret agent. And what's his name? Richie Mack.
Hey.
Richie Mack is the top representative of the Philippines, right? So that's why I got to pull out Exhibit A.
And remember, we got to make sure the internet works correctly in the Philippines.
You hear that? You hear that?
No, we can't hear nothing.
That's my man, Richie Mack.
Better help him, Mike.
Richie Mack, everything in the Philippines already.
What's going on? What's happening? See, he froze again. See, this is what I'm trying to tell you. I literally have like 50 tabs open. I'm in my basement and I'm running the stream like it's cool. You know what I mean? And when I say 50 tabs, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna show you guys how good the internet is out here. Even though we already know that chocolate, that's a foregone conclusion.
It's a foregone conclusion, baby.
Yeah. So what happened? Did you hear me clearly?
We didn't hear anything.
You hear thing, man.
And you're making our point. You're making our point.
Don't worry about that.
Next one that Chuck and I are going to talk about is food. Mike, are you Filipino, by the way? You got a little Filipino look.
I got a little Filipino in me. Yep.
What's his name?
I just recently learned how to speak Tagalog though, but I have I'm Irish, Filipino, Spanish.
Did he freeze?
Spain.
Did he freeze? Did he freeze on live television?
Am I freezing? I see myself.
Yeah, you freezing. That's that Filipino internet. You see him like
I'm not freezing. Yo, if you're messing with me, man, I'm looking at the stream right now. Listen. Richie's trying to soften things up a little bit here. I'm just saying, man. Come on.
No, it froze. Anybody in the chat, if it froze, would y'all tell him that it's freezing? Like I can't make this. You freezing, bro, and you know, and Mike and Jay don't play games. Y'all know how that internet is. You know it's shoddy, but we ain't got to that category yet. I'm gonna lay that. I don't know if I'm gonna need to use that.
Well, Zoom. You got to think about it, man. You haven't been in the Philippines for a while, man. Philippines is building it up right now in the province. They got 800 Mbps, bro.
So what's going on now with the freezing? What's going on there? What BPS you working with? What number is your BPS? I need to know. Mike, what's your BPS? We need to know. I'm gonna use this for ammunition against you. So
okay.
What's your BPS, Jay? Black Filipino?
Well, right now I'm not in the province because in Manila, I can't lie. Right now, it's slower than the province in Manila.
Really? Manila had faster than that when I was depending on where you were.
No, it is. And also, I'm in a condo right now. I moved in this condo. I would say around November. You know, all those lines that they connect in all in one thing, it makes it for slow internet.
Yeah. I'm hearing a lot of it. I'm hearing a lot. We're gonna have this the whole time.
But in the province though, right, the internet. The internet is much faster than.
Hey, don't do this.
Right now in the province, it's much faster than the whole world, but still, I give it to you with internet. I can't lie. You're not on that category yet. But I give it to you with that. I'll give it to you with food. I give it to you with food. I'll be honest, man. Some things they're gonna get, right?
I gotta give the internet, man.
Yeah.
I gotta give the internet.
I give the internet. I give the food.
I'm waving the damn white flag right now for the internet.
They're waving the white flag. Okay, so we're not doing food yet. We're gonna jump to internet because they just waved the white flag on that. So Thailand got the internet, which is for any YouTuber and any business person is the single most important thing you need when you're traveling, especially if you're working from abroad. This is why you guys gonna get this work, because if Philippines had internet like Thailand, it would be a whole different story. I think it would be a whole different ball game.
Yeah, I agree. But the thing we also have to look at is the infrastructure internet wise. I mean, we're opening up a lot of call centers in the Philippines left and right. So for the fact that these call centers, US based companies are trusting Philippine internet to be able to provide services for them, that shows that they trust they can use it. It's still possible. And so there's plenty of YouTubers in the Philippines that are making money, that are creating channels with the shoddy internet that they have. But obviously you have to be in the cities. You cannot be in, Bumble F to be able to, to have good internet. But
that's not necessarily true, because I'll tell you, when I was in Calapan, it's kind of like being in Batalha, and the internet has improved there. The only thing though that's not fast is like the 5G network. There's no 5G network there. But
I got to call cap on both of y'all. I got to call cap on both of y'all right now.
Okay.
Where's my cap flag? Cap flag. You understand that people come to the Philippines because it's a soft place to land. When I do my consultation, And if you guys, I don't know if you do them, Jay, or not, but consultations are so important. Yeah. You guys make sure y'all, if wherever you guys are going, Mike, Chalk, myself, consultations are so important. It's going to save you guys time and money, man, when you book consultations, man, because you're going to learn from the mistakes we made, and we're going to give you the shortcut. You just jump into the front of the line. You're going to save time and money. It's not like it's a ruse to try to get y'all money. It's really to try to help y'all, because I wish that's part of how my channel blew, is because I did consultations. I was trying to book with everybody to learn, what do I need to do? What's the way of the Jedi? What mistakes should I make? So it's an investment in yourself. So make sure you guys check with any of these guys for consultation. If you like what I'm doing, you guys, make sure to support your boy. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. But I'm calling cap on these guys because if you notice, both of my clients, they're always on the if a woulda, coulda, shoulda. Mike chooses a Cebu to compare Pattaya to. Jay picks another city to compare Pattaya to. They got over 7,000 islands in the Philippines. So we're going to be back and forth with different islands. It's like, what are we doing here? Like, Pattaya standing on its own. We even got to Bangkok infrastructure. Because if you kind of count infrastructure, Bangkok versus Manila, which is the main cities of both countries, it's not even close. So we know that. They don't want that smoke, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, the jury or the YouTube jury, they don't want that smoke. But we're going to keep it here with internet for now. We're skipping the internet. We're going to go back to food. So internet, they have conceded. So I'm not going to stomp on them. That was my biggest frustration about the Philippines, was the internet. I can't lie to you. And that's before I was even a YouTuber, quote unquote YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel, y'all check. I've been on YouTube since 2006. But in terms of Zoom to Thailand, I've only been on for like a year and a half or whatever it is. So you guys check and see for yourself. The internet can be shoddy, but like Jay said, I believe it's coming along. And I do believe once the Philippines catches up with Thailand, with the internet, especially with military coming in, U.S. military, and Jay and them are right about trust, but they're going to trust based on how they fortify the internet, the things that they add in addition. The Philippines is going to get a lot of help. Do you disagree with me on that, Mike?
No, I agree. I mean, that's going to be one of the biggest things. When the military comes for those 4 bases that they're planning to open up, it's going to change the game a little bit. I mean, when the military bases opened up in the Philippines originally, there was so many changes that happened in infrastructures within that particular area. So, it'll get there. But if the military bases doesn't come, it's going to be very slow for them to build up the whole internet, because they're making money no matter what already as it is in the Philippines. They don't need to change yet, so they're not going to spend money. The big telecom companies are not going to change any expenses yet.
Dwayne, tell us about that internet though, and don't try and cap, because we got them. They glitched already like 3 or 4 times, so don't even try. But shout out to
the cap. Now that's cap. Richie Mack trying to control the narrative.
Oh, wait a minute. You put the cat flag up again. Wait a minute. We just talked about internet, which we all know it's not even close. So the internet is something that in 3 years we had this battle again. Philippines might be in a whole different category. I really agree with that. In terms of internet is the decide. There's 2 things deciding factor for me for internet for Thailand and the Philippines. But we got that. So we had a tie right now. So White, he has Starlink and it works. Texas Filipino White, he has Starlink and it works. What does that mean, Joey?
Let me address that.
That's the internet.
Chuck is jumping on that. Go ahead,
yeah. So several people have talked about the Starlink connection, all that. The Philippines now authorize a Starlink. Starlink is available in the Philippines, and that's great for rural areas and all that. Like even in the metro areas, they can get a high-speed connection. Pay the fee, buy the dish, all that. It's going to be comparable to what you probably pay in the States for a full internet package. And that's great. And I'm glad the Philippines has that, and I'm glad you guys feel that that's like a win for the Philippines. But in Thailand, we don't really need it. It'll probably eventually find its way into Thailand. But yeah, the infrastructure here is so well supported that even in the rural areas here, you're still getting a strong signal. Every small town, I'd say any city over 10,000 people in Thailand has exceptional internet. So just saying. All right, we can pray.
Oh, you're right. I have to agree with that. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, what's the next super chat?
Really ain't a better option. Time to travel. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey. Let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG. Let's go.